To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.
Begin by carefully using the special tool from newpower99.com to pry open your Garmin as shown. Pry out and disconnect the original battery. Place your new battery from newpower99.com into the battery compartment and replace the connector as shown. Peel off and transfer the rubber spacer from the original battery to your new battery. Replace the back cover and carefully snap into place by applying pressure around the edges. Turn on your Garmin Nuvi GPS. It should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge your new battery from newpower99.com for at least 2 hours before using.
newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.